Welcome to this lesson on file extensions. A file extension indicates what type of file it is and what program will be used to open the file when it's clicked. By default, file extensions are hidden. And if we wanted to unhide them, we can click the Start button or press the Windows key and S at the same time and type in folder, click on File Explorer options, click the View tab, and scroll down till we see Hide extensions for known file types. And what we need to do is uncheck it if it's not already unchecked. Click Apply and then OK. There are a list of default programs that will automatically open a specific file extension when double clicked. If we go back to that same search window by pressing the Windows key or pressing the Windows key and S and type in the word default, and click on Default Apps, these icons represent the program that will open a specific file type. You can think of file formats or file extensions as a specific computer language that can only talk to programs that know how to speak that language. So music files can only be opened by music programs, and the same with picture files, movies, and so on. And that ends our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.